21 opisyal ng gobyerno ang mananatili sa kanilang mga pwesto matapos hindi tanggapin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang kanilang courtesy resignations. Nakatutok si Ivan Mayrina.
Kasunod ng performance review matapos silang pagpasahin ng courtesy resignations ng Pangulo, ilang cabinet-level officials ang nalagas. Tinanggap ng Pangulo ang courtesy resignations in the Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor, Maynardo Sabili, Presidential Assistant for the Visayas, Terence Calatrava, Presidential Advisor on Muslim Affairs, Almarim C. Tila. Terminated naman si Menandro Espinelli, Presidential Advisor for Special Concerns.
If you are asking for blood, there will still be blood. But, you know, we are still undertaking continuing performance evaluations even of those undersecretaries or those lower than the cabinet rank functionaries. I assure you that this is a very sweeping and thorough evaluation being made by the President and the panel of his choice regarding those who will be continuing, remaining in office, and those who will be ultimately ousted.
Mananatili naman sa pwesto ang ilang pinuno ng mga departamento, kabilang sina Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel, Agrarian Reform Secretary Conrado Estrella, at Education Secretary Sani Angara. Gayon din sina Labor Secretary Bienvenido Laguesba, Social Welfare and Development Secretary Rex Gatchalian, at Health Secretary Ted Herbosa. Pati na sina Migrant Worker Secretary Hans Leo Cacdac, Science and Technology Secretary Renato Solidium, Tourism Secretary Maria Cristina Frasco. Lusot din sina Information and Communication Secretary Henry Aguda, Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon, at Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Mananatili ding Chief Presidential Legal Counsel si Juan Ponce Enrile. Hindi rin tinanggap ang courtesy resignations ng ilan pang opisyal.
All of them who have been retained, including myself, are expected to give fresh attention to the mandates and to give more performance.
Itinalaga naman bilang bagong chairperson ng Securities and Exchange Commission si Attorney Francis Edralin Lim, kapalit ni Emilio Aquino, na matatapos ang termino sa June 5. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ivan Mayrina, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.